Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. I'm Priscilla. Come join me in the garden today. We're gonna get some things going and ready, and yeah, let's do it.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. Baby, like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby. You and me were like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like art, yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were
Whew.
destined to
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so taking a quick break. Mama's pooped. Oh my gosh. So what you were seeing me do is we've had rain, and the gardeners, oh, let me see if I can rest this camera. There we go. Whew. Excuse me. Whew. The gardeners had not mowed the lawn for like 4 weeks because every Tuesday when they would show up, it was raining. So anyway, they mowed last Thursday. Today's Sunday. And they always leave all that grass in the grass. which isn't good for the grass, number one. Plus, I need to throw some seed out for our summer grass. Now's the perfect time. So I had to get that up. I picked up the clippings on the edges, as you saw. Just getting ready. I've got something exciting planned for you guys later this week. Can't wait to show you. I know I said I'm not going to be doing any new decorating. Well, I always say that, but it evolves. And you know, some of this stuff is going to maybe last one more season, and so you have to keep bringing new stuff in, especially if you live excuse me, especially if you live in a very warm climate as I do in the summer. It's very hot, triple digits. We had, I want to say 60 days of triple digits last summer, which was too much. So anyway, I want you to see the yard now. I'm going to do a little pan around, and I'm going to show you a few things, update you on a few things, and we'll call it a day. All right, here we go. Whew. Okay, so here's what we look like now. My artichoke isn't too happy right now, but I think it just needs a little water. Let me walk over here. So you see, this is my broccoli that went to seed, and the reason why I'm leaving it that way is because the bees are really enjoying it. I've got me some artichokes, but my artichoke is not happy. The leaves are all falling down, but you see all the new little artichokes coming. Yep. Okay, so let's pan and let's see. So remember right here we had all those limbs. We got all the limbs up. We got gophers in the flower bed. Look at that. Stinking gophers. I really don't like them. Gardeners always get grass all over my planters. Is it just me? It's so irritating. They got grass all in my broccoli. Look at that. Grass everywhere. Grass. Grass. You see that? Grass. Grass. Leaves don't want grass on them? Shoot. Okay, so anyway, we got all the limbs up, and let's see, let's go over here real quick. Working on this side here. If I have enough room, those branches will go in there, but my bucket is full of branches and water from all this rain, so I gotta handle that because I need my bucket. It's summertime. Look at this plant over here. I'm pretty sure this is nasturtiums. I'm gonna give it something to climb on. I know I said that in my last video, and look how much it's grown. I better hurry up. These are our black carnations. I'm very hopeful for them this year. My amazing rainbow chard. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. So we'll be putting these probably out front. Oh, check this out, guys. Remember when I planted the bush beans and then the turnips? Look at all these turnips that are coming. Yay! We got rain coming in a few days. I think I probably need to water a little bit. I ate me a carrot out of here yesterday. So exciting. So very exciting. That's celery, you guys. Isn't that amazing? I would say it's happy. What do you think? Celery. I can't wait. Some more rainbow chard. This is bok choy. It's so strange. Look at how it is. But it's it fell over. It's been rainy and windy, but the bees love those flowers. So until I need this grow bag, I am leaving them. Oh, look at that lavender all out now. Remember before it was just budding? Woo-hoo. I still need to trim my carnations. Okay. And then this is what we planted last weekend. Nothing's sprouting just quite yet. I've come out here a few times. I'm gonna have to water it a little bit today just because we haven't had rain. I guess it's only been a couple of days. It might be okay. All right, strawberries, I've got that to fill up some holes when I get ready for that. Okay, let's go over here and let me just update you real quick. Oh, and this is the pink celery. Celery's doing great. I can't wait to cook something with this celery. It's just so exciting. So exciting. All right, so check it out. I know I showed a picture of this. I have no idea what this is. Kind of looks like a sunflower. I have no idea what it is. It was just in the soil. But these are onions that are coming up. I thought we might lose them because remember, this was filled with water and I had to dump the water out. This one here, same thing. I thought it was a loss, but then look at what we got there. There's a new one right there. You see it? So there's 2 so far. I just keep touching the soil, making sure it's damp. I moved this sweet potato over here in this Dollar Tree container. This is one of the shoots off of the one that's in the foil pan. No roots yet. Working on it. Okay, these are gonna have to get potted up here soon. These are all peppers. This is a tomato. It's a little leggy. That's okay. But they've done what they are supposed to do with the potting soil. Now it's time for them to get into some soil. And then this is the other sweet potato. Slow process, let me tell you. Okay, guys, I forgot to show you. We had planted some seeds over here a few weeks ago. And the only thing that's coming up so far are these green beans. So I just wanted to show you. Look at that. I don't know. Yeah, I think just the one, but I think I only put one in here now that I think about it. Nothing else is coming up. So that probably means we'll have to re-sow again. We had done cucumbers. I don't remember what all. Look at this. See what I'm talking about? Grass on everything. It's ridiculous. Okay, you're updated. Look at that jungle back there. Oh my gosh. Look at that garlic. Garlic. Shallots. Some nasturtiums there. I do not know what all is going on in that grow bag there. This is the grow bag that wouldn't grow anything. Looks like it got over it. This kale went to seed, but again, the bees are loving it. All right, you've been updated. So that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garden today. I'm really excited what's coming next. We got all kinds of stuff. It's getting springtime, so stick around. Make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. You're gonna want to see what's coming up and share it with a friend. We'll see you next time. Bye now.